Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Plank Mill Sawmill. Today I'm going to be making a solution to get rid of my sawdust. You can't tell, there's a lot of sawdust here and I need to get rid of it. So what my plan is I'm going to be making a door in the back wall of my sawmill shed here. Right here, which will be the best spot because most of my sawdust ends up right here, kind of at the 8-foot front 3 cross bunks of the sawmill. So what I want to do is basically cut out an opening here, make a big door so I can just pull the tractor up with the bucket right there, shovel the sawdust out, and close the door back up. I'm good to go. I need to go take a look outside because I think there's a tree right back out here, but maybe I can just cut the tree down. It's not a big deal. So let's go have a look outside and see what it looks like from the outside. Alright, so here we are at the back wall of the sawmill shed, and I'm looking up at the rafters up in there. It is from the end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 7. So there's a post right here on the 7th rafter, and over to just past the 10th rafter. So this is where I would want my opening to be, but there is a tree that's kind of in the way. So I'm just going to cut this tree down and put the door right here, because I'd like to be able to open that as well. That would also create more ventilation if I want to open it to let gas fumes and airflow through the sawmill shed. So here we are back inside the shed. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to want to add some 2x6s to kind of make a frame around these boards here, and then I'm just going to cut around that frame, put some hinges on the outside on one side or the other, and then that whole thing can just swing out. I'll basically just make a door out of the siding. I'll just cut it out with the chainsaw as best as I can, and I think that should make a pretty nice little door. So I'll probably have to do some trim work then on the outside, make it look good, but alright, so now I have sawed myself up a couple 2x6s, so now I've got some material to work with around this door. Now I've made my first chainsaw cut up here. Now what I want to do is attach the hinges to this part right here, and then I'll cut the rest of it open, and then my thought is that it'll just swing open. So, and then we'll cut the rest of it out and see what happens. Alright guys, well here it is. My new door is completed for now. Kind of still in the rough form, but I got it to where I can bring the tractor bucket right up here, shovel the sawdust out. Alright guys, there it is. Finally got myself a door made here. I still need to kind of finish some trim and stuff around the opening, and I'm going to have to do something to make the door a little bit more stable because it's already sagging a little bit. But other than that, I'm liking it so far. So until next time guys, happy sawing, and thanks for watching.